Sending money from Singapore to Bangladesh can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin with, you need to choose a suitable money transfer method. There are several options available, including banks, money transfer operators, and online services. Banks offer a reliable way to send money, but they often charge high fees and have less competitive exchange rates. Money transfer operators like Western Union and MoneyGram have a wide network of agents in Bangladesh, making it easy for recipients to collect cash. Online services such as PayPal, TransferWise, and Z Money Transfer offer competitive exchange rates and lower fees. Once you have selected a method, you need to gather the necessary information. This includes the recipient's name, address, and bank account details if you are sending money directly to their bank account. You will also need to provide your own identification and proof of address. The next step is to initiate the transfer. If you are using a bank, you can visit a branch in person or use their online banking service. For money transfer operators, you can visit one of their agent locations or use their website or mobile app. Online services can be accessed directly through their website or mobile app. When initiating the transfer, you will need to specify the amount you want to send in the currency you want to send it in. You will also need to pay for the transfer, which can be done using a bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. After initiating the transfer, you will receive a reference number or tracking number. You should share this with the recipient so they can track the status of the transfer. The recipient can then collect the cash from an agent location or have it deposited directly into their bank account. It is essential to compare the fees and exchange rates of different money transfer services to get the best deal. You should also ensure that the service you choose is secure and reliable. Look for services that are licensed and regulated by the relevant authorities in Singapore and Bangladesh. In conclusion, sending money from Singapore to Bangladesh requires some planning and research. By choosing the right money transfer method, gathering the necessary information, initiating the transfer, and tracking the status, you can ensure a smooth and successful transaction. Always prioritize security and compare fees and exchange rates to get the best value for your money.